Okay, Haridas, tell us about this picture you drew. What is it? What's this a picture of? You being shy? Is this Haridas? No. Look at that. It's the first time Haridas ever drew himself. First time he ever drew a person. Where's your eyes?
Those are my eyes.
All right. Where's your nose?
Those are my noses.
Your nostrils. And where's your mouth?
That's my mouth.
All right. And your ears?
That's my ears, and that's all my hair.
That's your hair. And how about your arms and your legs?
That's my legs, and that's my arms.
Wow, that is beautiful, Haridas. Look at that.
Mama, take a picture.
You to line this up.
Mama,
There you go.
Mama, make a video.
This is a video. Haridas' first picture of himself. First self-portrait. Very nice.